Hi, Scott Bruder here. So what I have today is a molex or an Amphenol connector. I'm sure there's multiple names. A wiring harness connector. This one here happens to be 24 pin, and it has the little slide-in pins on this end, and of course it's got the barrels on this end. So these are the male side of the connector. These are the female side of the connector, and they take a little bit of work to solder on the ends, slide them in, fit them on, things like that. Now, once they kind of get old and worn, and they've been connected for a long period of time, if you disconnect them, you're probably going to lose the best connection you have because there's been oxidization that's happened on the parts that haven't been like real tight, snug up against each other. What I do when I'm trying to get additional life out of these is, clean these out, use a contact cleaner solution, maybe with a treatment. There's a lot of good contact cleaners out there. The other thing you can do is you can adjust the pressure fit on these. Now, I'm going to quickly show you both sides and what I do to kind of improve those pressure fits, and feel free to kind of comment. What I'm going to do is show you right here. I'm going to show you the pin side. So let's get it nice and close, and I'll see if I can zoom in to make life a little easier. Let's go here. Okay. We'll see if we can focus it up. Nice and clean. So on the pin side, it's a smaller barrel that sits inside of the larger barrel, and they always have a little slit going down the side of them. So what you can do is, if they're not making good contact, you can take your a clean razor knife, and you can slide it into that little slit, and you can wiggle it back and forth. And what that's going to do, that's going to open the barrel connector, or the male side of the barrel, a bit, giving it a larger diameter, giving it the better ability to produce contact on the other side. So these ones here I've already gone around and gone through and kind of spaced them all out. Hopefully they have good contact. They look mighty round. Now let's take a look at the other side on the female end. Adjust again. Perfect. So on the female side, you got all of the little round barrels that the other pins slide into. So what you can do here, same trick. This side here is a little less functional than the pin side. On the pin side, of course, when you do that, make sure you go all the way up and down the pin so that it's not got like a bulge in one spot. Make sure that the whole length of the pin is extended. And then when you come to this side here with these round connectors with the female side, what I'll do is I'll take the tip of my razor knife and I'll just put it along the edge. And what I'll do is I'll give it a little twist and use that to kind of cinch up the diameter of that circle. And you can do it on both sides. What's going to happen is when that pin connector goes in there now, it's going to have more pressure pushing against it. The male side's going to have more pressure, and you're going to have better luck of having a good connection. Now, don't be too rough with these because the metal will, be a little more brittle as it ages. And we just want to make sure that, we're just adding a little bit of pressure, just enough to kind of shrink the diameter of those male connectors. That's what I do. If any of you have any questions or comments, or something that I should be doing differently, let me know. Comment, like, share, and if you have any other technical questions, feel free to connect with me. I enjoy learning more about technology and having more opportunities to work on it. Thanks a bunch, and have a great day. Perfect. Let's see if that goes back in. Oh yeah, that's nice and snug. Perfect. Now we're going to do some continuity testing.